Until now, you've only heard one thing about tea, that drinking too much tea is not good for your health. If you drink too much tea, your health will deteriorate and you'll start facing all kinds of problems. And the biggest thing is that drinking tea doesn't help you lose weight. In fact, it keeps increasing it. Your stomach starts to feel heavy and bloated because your digestion becomes weak. If you drink too much tea, that's why people start quitting tea or just ignore it altogether. But today, I'm going to tell you about a tea that won't harm your health. In fact, it will improve it. If your digestion is already poor, this tea will improve your digestion, and most importantly, it won't make you gain weight. It will actually help you lose weight. It will keep your blood clean. And if you have knee pain or joint pain anywhere, it will help reduce that too. It will also help reduce your inflammation. You must have had tea and everyone drinks it, even if it's just a little, but you all know about the side effects of tea because we drink it the wrong way. The tea we usually drink is not the one we should be having. It will make you sick and can also increase your weight, but it's hard to give up tea. So what should you do now? Actually, you don't have to do anything. The tea recipe I'm going to share with you today is truly the best tea for summer. The regular tea we typically drink, the one with milk, what it does is it heats up the body from the inside, makes it quite acidic, and dries it out. Because of this, the essential fluid between our joints gradually starts to dry up, which consequently leads to uncomfortable joint pain. Now, it also affects our digestion, specifically the digestive juices. When we eat food, those juices are necessary to help digest it, but drinking this kind of tea reduces them as well. When we drink milk tea, it disrupts our digestion, causing gas, bloating, and stomach discomfort. And because of this, if your food isn't digested properly, how will you lose weight, no matter how much you exercise or how careful you are with your diet? If you haven't paid attention to how you're drinking tea, then I'm about to explain it to you. You need to drink alkaline tea. If you drink acidic tea, your body will become toxic and you'll be more prone to illnesses and your weight won't go down. But if you start drinking alkaline tea from today, your body will become more alkaline and your health issues will start to improve. Now let's carefully see how to make it and what essential ingredients you truly need to add. So watch carefully. Then make it and drink it and observe how it affects your entire body. First of all, we need some water. Now to make 2 cups of tea, you need to take at least 2.5 cups of water because some of the water will evaporate. When we prepare to make our tea, the very first step is to carefully pour some fresh water into your chosen pan, and then you will turn on the stove. As you can see, the stove is now actively on. It's important not to keep the flame too high, so please set it to a medium heat. We will allow the water to gently heat up a little, and after that, we will thoughtfully add our essential ingredients. The first key ingredient we'll introduce is fennel seeds. For this recipe, I've precisely taken 1/3 of a teaspoon. In this way, as you can see, this is 1/3 of a teaspoon. If you have fresh ginger, for example, if you want to drink this in winter, you can use fresh ginger as well. Just add a little ginger because in summer you should use less ginger. If you don't have ginger, you can use a little carom seeds, ajwain instead, and you can adjust the quantity according to your preference. If it doesn't cause any issues for you, you can even use a little bit more. If you have any concerns, like it being a little warming, please keep in mind that it is alkaline and very good for your digestion. So go ahead and add it. The second important ingredient is fennel seeds. Take 1 full teaspoon of fennel seeds. For 2 cups, fennel seeds are very beneficial. You all know the properties of fennel. It has a cooling effect in food. For example, if you experience gas or bloating, fennel helps relieve that. It also reduces inflammation, so fennel is very important for aiding digestion and protecting your stomach. We have carefully added this. The third essential main ingredient that we are incorporating is our cinnamon powder. You see, if you have elevated cholesterol levels in your blood, if you are experiencing a cholesterol problem, or if your blood has unfortunately become thick, this particular ingredient actively helps to effectively cleanse your blood and gently thin it. Cinnamon effectively brings your blood to the precise level of thinness it should ideally have. So it is truly beneficial in every conceivable way, and you should carefully include it. This is the exact amount I have carefully taken. 1/3 of a teaspoon, you can adjust the quantity according to your needs. And we have added this to the water. Now, allow me to present to you the fourth and fifth important ingredients which we will be combining together. For a serving of 2 people, specifically for 2 delightful cups, you should take precisely 2 whole cardamoms. We will gently crush them coarsely at first, ensuring their fragrant essence is released, and then subsequently add them into the water. You can conveniently crush them in the very same mortar that you typically use for ginger. Just crush them lightly, as you can clearly observe, and then proceed to incorporate them in. Now let this truly cook. You can certainly cover it if you prefer and allow it to cook thoroughly and completely. The absolutely essential main ingredient is still left, my dear friends, so please let this cook first. Don't leave just yet, or you will definitely miss the crucial main ingredient, the one special component that will completely and utterly change its properties. It's been at least a good 2 minutes now, and it has cooked exceptionally well. See how nicely and vigorously it's boiling. Now, we are going to carefully add the very next ingredient. For those who genuinely like it a bit sweet, you can certainly add 1 full spoon of jaggery powder, which will impart a lovely sweetness. For 2 cups, you should add just a little bit of sweetness. If you personally prefer it less sweet, you can certainly drink it exactly as it is. This particular step is entirely optional. Allow it to cook for a bit more time so that the jaggery powder thoroughly mixes in well. Once it's cooked properly and completely, turn off the heat and then let the steam escape while it's still quite hot. No. See, it's fully cooked now, perfectly tender. I've carefully turned off the heat, and we need to allow the steam to gently rise and dissipate naturally. Now let me proudly show you the truly essential and main ingredient for this delightful dish, that's fresh aromatic mint. Yes, we absolutely need vibrant fresh mint leaves, and you should carefully select and take at least 10 to 15 individual healthy leaves from the plant. For 2 cups, remove the stems like this and pluck the leaves. Look, you shouldn't cook these on the stove. You know how soft the leaves are, and if you cook them on the stove, all their properties are lost. All the vitamins inside get destroyed. So you should never cook them on the stove. I'll take this many leaves for 2 cups and lightly crush them without adding any water. Just crush them a little. Don't make it into a chutney, just a light crush is enough. Then add this to the hot tea and mix it well, then cover it for at least 30 seconds so that the aroma of the mint infuses nicely into the tea and its properties are absorbed. Since mint is cooling, it will impart its coolness to our tea. Leave it for 30 seconds. Now, lemon is next. Lemon is optional. Those who can tolerate it, who don't have joint pain and such, can add it, but very little. For 2 cups, just add half a teaspoon or about 3 to 4 drops is enough for 1 cup. So those who can tolerate it will add it. Those who can't don't need to. It's completely optional. I'll just add a little, that's all. 30 seconds are up, so now we'll strain it. Our alkalinity tea, or you can call it mint tea, is ready to drink. You can have it in the morning, in the afternoon, whenever you feel like it. It's beneficial in every way. Drink it anytime. 2 cups are ready. I've shared with you a wonderful tea that will be truly beneficial for your entire body during the warm summer months, providing you with a delightfully refreshing and deeply cooling effect. And by regularly drinking this particular tea, you can also effectively support your efforts to lose unwanted weight, significantly improve your overall digestion, and successfully get rid of persistent joint pain. So that's it for today. Do let me know how you like this tea recipe. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and share it. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye and take care.